I'm Rhianna. This is my husband, Richard Kiefer. We are from Minnesota. We really started talking about what could life look like as we move forward and have more years married and look at starting a family. How can we have more freedom? We threw around kind of a whole bunch of ideas. We love to RV. We have a toy hauler ourselves. He brought me this school called the NRVTA, and
so I wanted to find something hands-on. I couldn't sit at a computer, and there's online courses that you can do, but the hands-on aspect of the NRVTA really stuck out to me.
The mobile RV tech business and the doors that it could open in the future, not just from an employment perspective, but just like the freedom of life to be able to have a business in Minnesota, but also then have a business on the road was really appealing. And so we pulled the trigger, and here we are, and we're at school at the NRVTA.
I've really enjoyed the tech classes. You get a good mix of hands-on and book work, so you have the materials to take from class out into the field with the classwork and the materials they give you, but also you have the experience with all of the different components that they have for you to get your hands on and learn about and learn all the quirks and the good things and the bad things. And it's been enjoyable being able to put my hands on something and know how it works.
For the inspector track itself, you actually do 2 inspections. So you use everything that they're teaching you, and you go out and you do an inspection on a fifth wheel and a motorhome. And Howard and Pam are out, the instructors, like with you at those rigs if you have any questions, and you're getting real life practice on what you're gonna go out and do. And then you actually create the report that you would give to a customer. So I left that course really confident in being able to give a really solid product to a customer that I would feel good in. The idea that you're gonna buy an RV and that it's not gonna have problems is unrealistic. Like, that's just not how RVs work, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. It's the nature of a moving home. And so the idea of being able to help people before they make this massive purchase so that they're having hopefully as little issues from the get-go as possible was really appealing to me.
Our plan is to go back to Minnesota and start a mobile tech service back home.
And inspector.
The freedom that NRVTA is going to give us is going to be something I think we've been striving for.
Yeah. I would encourage anybody that was interested in a career change or looking at having more freedom to look into the NRVTA, the programs that they have. The advisors are really awesome, and they're helpful in talking through what options might make the most sense for you.
At the end of the day, you can have this all said and done, be a certified RV technician in 5 weeks. Being able to take those 5 weeks and do what you want with it is something special.
I love the saying that you don't live to work, you work to live. And I think that the NRVTA really equips you to be able to make real money going out and helping people do the stuff that we already love to do.